This video shows you how to install the print driver on a Windows computer. Before you begin, make sure that you have administrator privileges to install drivers using Xerox Smart Start. Open a web browser, and then type support.xerox.com. In the Find a Product field, enter your printer model. Click Drivers and Downloads. Select your Windows version, and then click Apply Filters. In the Xerox Smart Start Driver Installer section, agree to the terms and conditions and download the driver. Open the Downloads folder, and then double-click the downloaded Xerox Smart Start application. Review the license agreement, and click Agree. From the list of discovered printers, select your printer. Click Quick Install. Click Done. If your printer is not listed, click Don't see your printer. Type the printer IP address, and then click Advanced Search. Configure the settings, and then click Install.